Hey there, fellow eco-conscious travelers. I'm here today to dive into something genuinely exciting happening in the skies. Alaska Airlines, a name we all recognize, is stepping up its game with a groundbreaking initiative. Now, when you think of flying, you probably don't pair it with environmentally friendly very often, right? But hold on to your seats because Alaska Airlines is changing the narrative by intertwining sustainability with their customer loyalty program. So, what's the big news? Well, Alaska Airlines has launched a new option that allows you, yes, you, to directly support sustainable travel whenever you book a flight. It's quite simple, yet revolutionary. When booking, passengers can now purchase what they call sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF credits. These aren't just any credits, they're your ticket to reducing your carbon footprint while soaring through the skies. But here's where it gets even better. By choosing to purchase these SAF credits, you're not only doing good for our planet, you're also earning elite qualifying miles. That's right, going green gets you closer to elite status faster. This is the first time a US airline has linked sustainability efforts with tangible loyalty rewards. Imagine this, each flight not only takes you to your destination, but also contributes to a net zero carbon emissions goal set for 2040 by Alaska Airlines. They're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. From eliminating plastic straws and water bottles on board to investing in long-term sustainability projects, Alaska Airlines is on a serious green mission. And who's steering this eco-friendly ship? Meet JP Wilson, Alaska Airlines base chief pilot, who guides us through this evergreen journey. It's not just about reducing emissions, it's about fostering a culture of conscious travel among both passengers and the aviation industry. So next time you're planning to jet off, remember your choice of airline can also be a choice for the environment. Alaska Airlines offers you a chance to be part of a movement towards sustainable aviation where every mile flown can contribute to a healthier planet. So, are you ready to fly the eco-friendly skies? I know I am. Let's make our travel miles count, not just for our adventures, but for the Earth. Join me and Alaska Airlines on this incredible journey to a sustainable future. See you up there, where the skies are not only friendly, but green.